Have you ever felt that wealth and success seem reserved for a few? Imagine if you could unlock the same secrets that billionaires around the world use to attract abundance. What if I told you that these strategies are not only affordable, but hassle-free and effective? Powerful affirmations are the key many of these financial giants use every day, and now you can too. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive into a world where your words shape your reality, where every affirmation becomes a concrete step towards financial freedom. Get ready to revolutionize the way you think about money and success. This is your moment of transformation. Are you ready to start this journey? Hello, I'm Millionaire Jr., and it's a pleasure to have you here. With years of experience transforming lives through the power of the mind and finances, my mission is to guide you on your own journey to prosperity. Imagine having access to insights and practices that many of the most successful billionaires use without anyone knowing. I'm here to share these well-kept secrets, helping you unlock your full potential and achieve the success you've always wanted. Let's embark together on this transformative path where your mind will be the main tool to create the financial reality you deserve. Today, I invite you to explore with me a fascinating universe. The success claims that billionaires use to materialize fortunes that defy the imagination. We will uncover how these simple but powerful phrases can transform not only your mindset, but your entire financial destiny. By combining the science of positive psychology with deep spiritual concepts, you'll learn how to unlock financial potential you may not have known you had. Get ready to integrate proven techniques that raise your vibration, align your thoughts with wealth, and open the doors to an abundant flow of opportunities. Let's start this transformation together. Wealth affirmations are intentional statements that have the power to reprogram your mind. When repeated consistently, they align your thoughts and vibrations with financial abundance. It works like planting a seed in the subconscious mind, promoting internal changes that will manifest in your reality. Think of it as a way to train your brain to see and attract opportunities that might previously have gone unnoticed. One of the most common mistakes I see is people giving up too soon, expecting instant results. It's important to remember that just like a plant takes time to grow, affirmations also take time to create real change. Persistence is key. A regular, deeply felt practice brings true transformation. To get started, integrate billion-dollar affirmations into your morning routine. Phrases like, "I am a magnet for abundance," or "money flows to me in unexpected ways every day," create a solid mental foundation for the day. These mantras adjust your mindset, helping you attract opportunities and align actions with your wealth goals. Consider your affirmations as seeds planted in the mind, which need to be cultivated daily. Think about successful leaders who turn these practices into reality. It's this consistency that nurtures your wealth mindset, allowing you to transcend limitations and move toward abundance. Let's examine the story of visionaries like Oprah Winfrey, who use affirmations to turn challenges into successes. Oprah, for example, has applied these practices since the beginning of her career, attributing much of her personal and professional growth to these strategies. You can also strengthen your mindset to adopt this approach consistently by integrating the abundance mindset they embody daily. Keep an affirmative journal. Recording your intentions and wealth declarations reinforces your commitment to your goals. This act not only solidifies your intentions, but also acts as a constant reminder of your prosperity goals. Surround yourself with an environment that supports your aspirations. Disconnect from negative influences and seek a circle of support that shares your beliefs and motivations. This ensures that your journey towards wealth is continually nourished by positivity and encouragement. For the full manifestation of wealth, it is essential that your actions, words, and thoughts are in complete coherence with your financial intentions. This alignment creates a fertile and receptive environment for financial growth. This is when the universe aligns in your favor, opening doors you may not have realized before. Now let's practice. In this exercise called Living Abundance, our goal is to reprogram your mindset through daily affirmations and actions that align your thoughts, words, and behavior with desired prosperity. Start your day by dedicating 5 minutes to your affirmation journal. Write powerful statements like "I am financially free and abundant," "My financial life improves every day," and "Money flows to me easily and frequently." As you write, allow yourself to deeply feel the truth behind these words. The secret is in the emotions of wealth you feel. They activate the magnet of attraction. The more real and intentional your emotion, the stronger your magnet becomes. After the journal, we will now go through a 3-minute guided visualization. Close your eyes and imagine that you are already living the life you want. You don't need to repeat the following statements with me. Just listen, visualize in detail how you walk, talk, and behave like this prosperous version of yourself, getting in touch with the positive emotions of having already achieved your financial goals. I am a magnet for abundance and success. Money flows to me easily and continuously. With each passing day, I become richer, more prosperous, and more abundant. I am financially free and always have more money than I need. I attract incredible financial opportunities that provide me with great success. My bank account reflects the infinite abundance of the universe. I am worthy of all the success and wealth I desire. I manage my finances wisely and gratefully. Prosperity and abundance are my natural state. I welcome wealth with joy and gratitude. My success is sure and inevitable. Money and prosperity are part of my life now. I attract people and resources that help me grow financially. My abundance mindset continually attracts wealth. I am grateful for all the riches that come into my life. I deserve to live a rich and abundant life. I choose to see abundance in all aspects of my life. My heart is open to the unlimited wealth that surrounds me. I am creative and innovative in generating income. Money comes at me from all directions and in all quantities. I see opportunities for wealth everywhere. My potential to create wealth is limitless. I am able to achieve and exceed all of my financial goals. Wealth is part of my DNA. I specialize in attracting profitable and lasting investments. My life is full of successful investments. I create multiple streams of income with ease. With each passing day, my wealth increases. I have the power to create the financially abundant life I desire. My mind is always focused on ideas for financial success. I attract successful and visionary business partners. I transform innovative ideas into prosperous reality. My intuition is a reliable guide in building my fortune. I am resilient and persistent on my path to wealth. I deserve all the riches that life has to offer. My environment reflects the luxury and fullness I feel inside. I am continually grateful for all the wealth and abundance in my life. I apply creative solutions to transform challenges into financial success. I am a natural leader in all my financial endeavors. My investments grow and multiply in a safe and constant way. I inspire others to achieve financial success. I celebrate every little victory towards my great fortune. I am fearless in my financial decisions. I am flexible and adaptable to changes in the financial market. I am aware that my wealth increases every day. I am a visionary with the ability to imagine and create a prosperous future. I use my talents and skills to generate abundance for myself and others. Financial success is my inevitable destiny. Every day is a new opportunity to create wealth. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow financially. I follow the path of billionaires and create value in everything I do. Financial confidence gives me the freedom to live fully. My thoughts and actions are aligned with my goal of being a billionaire. I am organized and meticulous in my financial management. I am worthy of every golden opportunity that comes my way. I inspire trust and security in my business partners. I naturally attract resources that help me grow financially. I see money as a source of love and prosperity. I share my wealth wisely and generously. I am emotionally balanced in all financial situations. I see abundance in every corner of my world. I am a master at finding creative solutions that generate wealth. My financial dreams manifest easily and frequently. I am always on the lookout for new sources of income and innovation. My determination and focus take me to the top of success. I have a growth mindset dedicated to continuous expansion. I recognize and embrace the richness that surrounds me. I am stronger and wiser with each financial experience. I consistently invest in my future with wisdom and vision. I celebrate the success of others while cultivating my own. Now, slowly open your eyes in your own time. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. By repeating these affirmations in your mind throughout the day, you will continue to cultivate a mindset of abundance and success, aligning your actions and thoughts with the habits of billionaires. Throughout the day, notice how your words reflect your beliefs about money. Turn limiting expressions like, "I can't afford this," into, "I'll soon be able to invest in this with ease." This ongoing practice reinforces a state of mind of abundance by proceeding with confidence in your everyday language. Adopt abundance behavior by choosing a piece of clothing that makes you feel powerful and confident, and wear it often to reinforce your image of success and accomplishment. When you have to pay for something, mentally reinforce, "This is an investment in my prosperity." Protect your mind by cultivating positivity. Surround yourself with content and people that reinforce your new prosperity mindset, and avoid negative discussions or materials that fuel scarcity. If doubt or fear arises, ask yourself, "If I were already living the life of my dreams, how would I react?" Perform this exercise daily for 21 consecutive days. At the end of each week, review your notes and feelings, observing the changes and small advances that have already begun to manifest themselves in your life. And of course, when you feel comfortable, share your experience in the video comments and tell us how this exercise has influenced your mentality and financial reality. We explore together the transformative power of affirmations used by billionaires. Remember, true wealth starts in your mind. It is this mental programming that defines your actions and, consequently, the results you see in your life. Your bank balance may reflect your material success, but true prosperity comes from the positive mindset and alignment of thoughts you cultivate daily. Keep putting these affirmations into practice and watch as your reality begins to align with your abundance goals. If you found this content valuable and want to continue expanding your skills to manifest wealth, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. This helps us bring you more relevant content. And I'm curious to hear from you. How do you plan to apply these affirmation techniques in your life? Share your experiences and plans in the comments. And stay tuned, because I have something very exciting to tell you. You already know the impact of affirmations, but imagine combining all of this with the discoveries of quantum physics. In the next video, we'll explore how quantum principles can accelerate your financial results in ways you haven't even imagined yet. Don't miss out, because this will be an incredible journey to further unlock the potential of your rich mind. Big hug, and we'll see you in the next video.